Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to go back on Samsung S25. Let's begin! It's really easy. All you want to do is go to something that you can back from. For example, this will be, I don't know, let's say the display options. And now we can click this arrow right here in order to go back. But of course you may not have arrows, you may have gestures. If you do have gestures, so let's quickly switch to gestures. In order to go back, you want to swipe from either side of the screen into the center. So it's like this or like this. Amazing! And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.